Let's replace the starter on this 2015 Chevrolet Equinox with the 2.4 liter. First, we need to remove the ECM. It is a 10mm bolt right there. Let's remove it. There it is. We are removing the ECM here so we can unplug the negative cable of the battery. And alright, there it is. Put it on the side like this. Now we're gonna unplug our negative cable right there. There it is, and put something in between it so it doesn't make unwanted connections. We are under the vehicle. For reference, your starter is located on the left side of the engine, or I'll say the front of the engine, right behind your fan assembly. Okay, some vehicles have this thing equipped. They call it secondary air injection pump. Not all Equinox have it. Okay, so some car probably you're not even gonna have to remove it, but this one I have to. It is held by 3 30mm bolts, 1, 2, and 3. Or the one is missing, it has 3 30mm bolts. Let's remove them. There it is. You can see the starter a lot better. So we need to remove our connection here, connector. Okay, there it is. And we're gonna remove the 30mm bolt that hold the cable in place back there. It's up here. Came out to focus. There it is. Let's remove it. Let's remove the nut here, 30mm. There it is. As you see here, I'll remove the connection. Take the connection out. Take the other one out too. There. Now we're pretty much ready to take out the starter. The starter is held by 2 50mm. One at the bottom and one on top of the starter behind the solenoid here. Okay, so we're gonna need a section and a 50mm. We're gonna put it behind it. Have a feel for it. Okay, you can't really see it, but it's there. As you see here, I'm using a 3/8 ratchet and the 50mm and the extension so I can break the bolt free. Okay, then I'm gonna finish it up with my electric ratchet. All right. Use the old and then the starter. As you see here, I got the bottom bolt in. I'm gonna put the bolt up. It's kind of loose, but let's go. Good. Finish the bottom one. And now we're gonna install the battery cable in the starter, both of them, and we're gonna put iron on there. Let's finish it up. We're good. We're gonna pull out our connector and install our secondary injection pump in the spot. Okay. There you go, guys. That's how we do it. Now it's moment of truth. Let's start the vehicle. Alright, let's plug our negative cable in. Alright, moment of truth. Let's start it. There it is. There it is. She's alive and well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.